What's up YouTube, back today with an unboxing, and today we're going to be looking at one of the best budget phones you can buy on Amazon at the moment in 2020. The Cubot, are we saying that right? The Cubot Note 20. Right, okay, so it's a 6.5 inch HD plus display. We've got a bit of a splash proof screen on this one. Running Android 10, USB Type-C for the connection. We've got 3 gig of RAM and 64 gig of ROM built in. Quad-core CPU MT6761. And as you can see there, you can read the rest of the phone's information. Anyway, so we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we'll talk you through what you get. Okay, so like I said, another Amazon bargain today. This one I bought for my dad, who has no need for anything fancy. He just wants something that's fairly quick, and yeah, he's not after big brands. He's partially sighted, so he just wants it to do a lot of the talking features basically. But anyway, so let's have a look. So far, packaging is quite nice for it was literally £1 under £100, this phone. It's taken a while to open. We do like the slow release. Okay, so first impression so far, looking alright, I should say. We'll get the phone out then. We've got the standard quick readme guide underneath the sponge. We've got the manufacturer's bull and quick start guide. We don't need any of that. And then we've got a charging brick with UK plug, obviously. And we also have I think that will be for taking your SD cards out, etc. And the USB data cable. So, phone, charger, USB data cable. There's no earphones or anything with this. And yeah, so far it's looking quite nice. And this one has got the quad. Can we see that? The quad. Really nice quad design camera layout on the back. So the all-important peel, always satisfying. Right, so we're going to stop the camera there, stop the video there, and we'll get all the details on, and then we'll come back to you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got everything installed on the phone now, and I've got it next to my P30 Pro, and literally this has a cover on it at the moment, but literally it is just about the same size as a P30 Pro. Now, I've tested the camera. Like I said, I'm not going to be using, or my dad won't be using the camera, but the camera does work fine. It's got all the latest features, you know, like the bokeh effects, etc, etc. It's quite snappy, to be fair. Yeah, you know, I've got the apps that he needs installed on it, and it's working fine. There we are on YouTube. It's, you know, everything works fine. It's working just as it should, to be fair. The screen is nice and bright, it's clear. As we can see, you know, it's just working fine. Quite happy for the price of this phone. So yeah, there's a quick review of the Cubot Note 20. I'll leave the link in the description if this is a phone. I don't know why. Look at that. Mine's flickering away there. Strange. But anyway, we don't need that one in the picture. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice smartphone, sub £100 with a nice large screen, ideal for the kids, and you know, if you don't want to be giving someone a phone that they can damage, or you know, you're not bothered about it breaking, £100. It's not branded, obviously, Samsung, etc. But yeah, it is definitely a win. And it's also got the dual SIM card slot, so if you need to use two SIM cards, one for work, one for personal, etc., you've got that function as well. I've installed a 64-bit memory card in it. It's perfect, seriously, yeah. As you can see there, it's nice and snappy, everything's moving nice and smooth, and yeah, it's responsive. So yeah, if you're looking for a sub £100 phone, check this one out. I'll leave the link in the description. It's an Amazon buy, definite win. I'd give it a 8 out of 10 because it's not branded. And we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, these just quick unboxing, and see what you think. Okay, bye.